Welcome to GATHA channel. Today, we're exploring creative and sustainable ways to decorate your small apartment using upcycled materials. Upcycling is all about transforming old or discarded items into something fresh and functional, helping you design a unique space while reducing waste. Imagine a cozy and stylish apartment filled with repurposed furniture, handmade decorations, and smart storage solutions, all made from materials that might otherwise be thrown away. From vintage suitcases turned into side tables to floating shelves crafted from reclaimed wood, every piece has a story to tell. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of upcycled home decor ideas that bring warmth, charm, and sustainability into your living space. Wooden pallets are one of the most versatile materials for upcycling. With a little creativity, they can be transformed into stunning furniture pieces that fit perfectly into a small apartment. A simple pallet can become a rustic coffee table with a dark wood stain and sleek metal legs. Stack crates can serve as open bookshelves, adding storage and character to your space. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood can hold plants, books, or decorative items, making the most of vertical space. These DIY projects not only save money, but also give your home a unique, handcrafted charm. With a touch of sanding and some paint or varnish, upcycled pallet furniture can blend seamlessly with any interior style. Finding the perfect seating in a small apartment can be a challenge, but upcycling offers endless possibilities. An old wooden chair can be revived with a fresh coat of paint and a reupholstered seat cushion made from recycled fabric. Stackable crates can double as stools and storage, perfect for flexible seating. Even discarded tires can be transformed into trendy ottomans by wrapping them in natural rope and adding a cushioned top. These seating solutions not only save space, but also add personality to your home. Whether you prefer a minimalist, vintage, or eclectic style, upcycled seating brings comfort and sustainability together. Walls are like a blank canvas waiting for creative expression, and upcycling can turn old materials into beautiful wall art. A vintage window frame can be repurposed into a decorative organizer with hooks for keys and small plants. Scraps of fabric, newspaper, or reclaimed wood can be arranged into a textured collage, bringing warmth and history to your space. Even an old ladder can become a stylish display for blankets or hanging planters. Upcycled wall decor is a great way to add character without cluttering your floor space. With a little creativity, your walls can tell a story of sustainability and style. Storage is a major concern in small apartments, but upcycling can turn everyday items into practical storage solutions. Vintage suitcases can be stacked to create stylish side tables that also hold blankets, books, or seasonal clothing. Wooden crates mounted on walls serve as modular shelving, adding both storage and design elements. Even tin cans can be painted and used as kitchen organizers for utensils and spices. These creative storage ideas not only maximize space, but also give your home a distinctive look. When every storage piece is upcycled, it adds charm while keeping clutter at bay. Textiles can transform a space, and upcycling allows you to create unique and meaningful pieces. An old t-shirt can be braided into a colorful rug, adding warmth to your floors. Scraps of fabric can be sewn into vibrant pillow covers or repurposed into cozy throws. Even worn-out jeans can be turned into sturdy storage baskets. These handmade textile projects bring softness and personality to your apartment while keeping fabric waste out of landfills. Whether you prefer bold, bright colors or neutral, earthy tones, upcycled textiles make your space feel more inviting and personalized. Your kitchen and dining area can benefit from upcycled decor as well. Glass jars can be transformed into stylish spice containers with hand-painted labels. A wooden serving tray made from reclaimed materials adds a rustic touch to your table. Mismatched dishes can be painted and sealed for a charming, eclectic dinnerware set. Even an old cutting board can be repurposed into a chic serving platter. Upcycling in the kitchen not only adds character, but also encourages a more sustainable approach to everyday living. With these creative ideas, every meal is served with a touch of eco-conscious design. A thoughtfully decorated small apartment can be both beautiful and sustainable. By incorporating upcycled materials into your decor, you create a space filled with personality, history, and creativity. From handmade furniture to unique lighting and repurposed storage solutions, every item adds charm while reducing waste. Living sustainably doesn't mean sacrificing style, it means embracing the beauty of what already exists and giving it new life. By choosing upcycled decor, you not only save money, but also make a positive impact on the environment. A home filled with upcycled pieces is a home filled with stories, warmth, and character.